What is Islam and who is a Muslim? Dear brothers and sisters, our today's lecture is based on these two questions. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. The term Islam means submission to the will of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And a Muslim is he who submits to the will of Allah. Islam is a religion that can be followed by everyone, everywhere in a day-to-day life. It is the religion of every prophet of Allah, from Adam alayhi wasalam to Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam, and it is as old as humanity. Do you know that every child that is born is a Muslim? It is the parents that make him a Jew, a Christian or Hindu. Allah has sent numerous prophets to all nations and races. As the human race progressed, the prophets were sent with the laws that suited the requirements of that time. Each new prophet brought a divine law which abrogated or cancelled the previous one. Muhammad is the last prophet of Allah, and he has brought the last and the most perfect law in the Holy Quran. History showed that this law has suited the requirements of the people for the last 1400 years and shall continue to do so till the day of resurrection. Islam is a way of life. It is a simple and uncomplicated religion, giving one a maximum freedom without encroaching on the freedom of others. It enjoins one to believe in one God and to do good, to keep up prayers, to feed the poor and the needy, to fast during the month of Ramadan, to perform Hajj, and to fight for the sake of Allah, Rabbus Samawati wal Ard, whenever necessary, to believe in the justice of Allah, in the life after death, in the prophethood of Muhammad, and the teachings of the 12 apostolic imams. Islam condemns evil and tyranny, prohibits intoxicants and gambling, prohibits adultery and fornication, and prohibits the blood and flesh of swine and dead animals. There is no compulsion in religion, and there are no harsh and hard rituals or unnecessary dogmas in Islam. Among many reforms which the Prophet of Allah gave to the world, he taught that all human beings, irrespective of race and color, are the sons of Adam, and no man had any superiority over another because of his color, status, or riches. He sallallahu alayhi wasallam taught, the most honorable man in the sight of Allah is he who is most careful of his duty to Allah, and that man has rights only to the extent of the duties he performed. May Allah make us good Muslims. May Allah make us die as Muslims. And when Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala take our souls, may He take them when He is pleased with them. وآخر الدعوة أن الحمد لله رب العالمين. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.